Hi, this is Daniel and today I'm going to show you how you can apply the transition for all of your clips at the same time. For this you will simply select all of your clips you want to apply the transition for, then you will simply go for the effects at the top left, you will go for the video transitions and you will choose the transition you would like to use. In my case, let's say that I would use for example smooth cut. I will right click on this and choose add to selected edit points and clips. Now in case I got some clips where I cannot add transition, that means there is not enough video towards which it would be applied, I can choose to trim those clips or I can simply choose to skip those clips. So let's go first of all with the skip clips, and now you can see that this transition was applied only at the start and the end of those clips. But let's say that I would cut off this clip at this part, that means there would be enough space to actually use transition for and also this part of the second one. So now in case I would do the same thing, select all, choose the transition, right click, add to selected and skip, it would add transition towards this place as well. Just like this. And in case I would select them all and I would simply choose the other option, that means trim clips. You can see that all of those clips were trimmed a bit, but there is now applied the transition between all of those clips. So in the end, you can choose the version and the way which you prefer. So this is how you can easily apply transition to all of your clips in the Davinci Resolve at the same time by just 2 clicks. So that's all for this video. In case you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, and in case you would like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe as well. But for today, that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you all at the next video. Goodbye.